Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Welcome back and welcome if you're new to my channel. Please don't forget to hit subscribe while you're here. I'm going to work on an 8x10 canvas today and I'm going to do a reverse dip. I'm going to spread my white base paint, and this is the Artist Loft white. I'm going to use my spatula to spread it out and give it a quick torch to get rid of the air bubbles in it. Today I've picked out a few colors that are pre-mixed. I have a phthalo blue, I have a quinacridone magenta, and I have a light magenta. And I am going to try and get my cap off, and I'm going to just lay it out as such. Go in with a little bit of the magenta. And I think I changed my mind on this light magenta. I think I'm going to grab something a little different. A little bit of violet instead. A little bit of my yellow. Bring it in just a little bit more. Just like that. So there we have some puddles of paint. Now what I have here is a piece of plastic wrap. This is from my canvases. And I'm going to lay it on here. Let it make some good contact. Smooth it out nicely. Get all my little air bubbles out. Just lightly. Don't want to squish it. Too much here. Smooth it out. Okay, I'm going to very gently pick this up from the corners. Very slowly. Bring it together. Make sure I have a grip on all of them. just like that. Okay, quite a bit of paint on there yet. See if I can bring it down a little bit. I can see it moving quite a bit right there in the middle. Let's see if I can get some out of there. Kind of want the bottom of it to be moving out a little bit more. I really like this here. I like this. I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to use my straw to move it out a little bit. Okay, it's pretty. Pretty. Just looking for movement here. Looks pretty good. It's a little bit thick in the center. We'll give it a torch. And just take a skewer. Move it around just a little bit. Just a hint of little butterfly wings there. Just like that. It's perfect. Get some really delicate little cells going on. A little touch here and there. Bring up some of the color that's underneath. And I'm happy. It's a beautiful little reverse dip. Kind of looks like a butterfly. And it looks like it needs something else to me, like it needs to be pushed out here. There. I like that better. So there we go, guys. See the little tiny cells going on in it? Turned out beautiful. The colors are great together. Thanks for coming and visiting with me. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate that. Have a good night. Bye.